Good morning to all.
Good morning to all.
My name is.
My name is Aradhya.
Which class you are studying?
UKG.
School name?
My school name is Red Rose High School,
Hyderabad, India.
Hyderabad, India.
Your life
Your life
50%
50%
sleeping only.
sleeping only.
Balance
Balance
life
life
50%.
50%.
You will use
You will use
your
your
personal
personal
works only.
works
If
only.
you want to
You will want to
success
success
all
all
meditation
meditation
or
all
prayer
prayer
need
need
compulsory
compulsory
must
must
3 a.m. to
3 a.m. to
4 a.m.
4 a.m.
Thanks to all.
Thanks to all.